So back to the plaza near to Santa Clara. It's very old ruin from Roma, year 27. No, I don't got get in. Sorry, the Popolo. No, I don't get in. Too high to get. Not now. Interesting, but I don't want to get it. Too much work for me. Okay, 11 o'clock ready. I want to be back in hotel by 12. Okay. Hope they let me go another day. Yeah. Step up here. Very small, and then old town. And the water fountain again. The water fountain, and behind us, beautiful. Okay, so we keep moving down to. So we get down to the road towards the Santa Clara Basilica. Okay. Okay, direction where you want to. Best Italian virgin oil. Okay. This the spaghetti I wanted. Spaghetti al pomodoro. Okay, good to know that. Beautiful restaurant, right? Very beautiful. Bapi. Cioccolato Assisi. Okay. Perugia. Beautiful downtown. I like it. Laudatio Si. Okay. Let's see about. Santa Clara Basilica. Oh wow, a lot of people.